guys, this video I would like to share my new coffee machine. As my previous videos showed a lot of examples about me doing latte art by using a Nespresso Cristista Plus, and I realized that that machine actually isn't good for frothed milk. I think it is time for you guys to understand the reality that actually Cristita Plus isn't really good for good at frothing milk. So if you have got a chance, I think you'd better sell it out, because you're not going to tell the buyer that your second-hand machine actually isn't good at frothing milk. But after buying this kind of machine from Taobao, which only is worth 1,400 Hong Kong dollars, it's already given me lots of things that I need. At least this machine is good at frothing milk. So let's show time. Actually, I will show two different ways. The first way is the traditional way. I will use the coffee. I will use the coffee beans. So this coffee beans grinder is given by Taobao, and they give me for free. So the coffee grinder plus the coffee machine is pretty good. It's just only $1,500. Wow, the smell is very good. And for those people who watch my video in Hong Kong, actually you can order this same kind coffee machine on Taobao. And if somebody who watches my video not in China or not in Hong Kong, you probably figure out your own way to buy this sort of machine. I believe that there should be some way to buy this kind of machine as well, but you need to know, you need to see some more demonstration or some more feedback provided by other users. Otherwise, you have bought some kind of machines which is not good at frothing milk again. So now I will show you what kind of ingredients I have. Actually, I've got some long life milk, and I bought this only 6 Hong Kong dollars, because this is about to over the expiry date. So this kind of milk original price is like $12, but anyway, it's still cheap. Actually, I don't know the difference between the long life milk and the fresh one. Maybe the taste is just better for the more expensive one. Anyways, so let's kick off. I need the beans, and I will put it here, and then we need to adjust something. Just hang on, give me 1 second. So for the coffee beans, regarding the coffee beans, it's quite different from using the capsules, because capsules, they have already ground the coffee beans for you. But if you want to if you want to grind the coffee beans by itself, that would be quite difficult, because each grinder has different settings and you have to adjust it by yourself, and I'm still working out at the moment, and I'll just try. Anyways, let's see how it goes. You just add milk first. Oh, sorry. Crazy. Okay. You add the coffee beans here. So I open the lid, and I'll put certain amount. The coffee beans. So actually, it depends on how many cups of coffee you would like to drink every day. I will just put quite a bit. I want to see how it goes first. I check. Now, right now the setting is like 4.5. Okay, I hope 4.5 is the best. If I can't, I think I have to like lower the value a bit down. So there's nothing here, and I'm going to put it insert in the grinder, and then okay, and then you will just turn it on, and then you will get the powder. See that? Actually, it takes quite a while to finish grinding. Okay, that's about it, I think. So now you have got fresh, very fresh coffee powder. And you will, what you like to do right now is to put it. So you're gonna add some coffee powder into this, I don't know how to call this stuff in English, but anyway, you just need to use this one. Actually, it's not really that difficult to use. So I'm going to give 1, 2. Just don't give too much, you know. Actually, it's like it's about like 3 capsules, the amount of coffee powder. It's only about 3 capsules, okay? If you don't know the amount of coffee powder contained in the coffee capsules, you know, the capsules and espresso capsules, you can actually use the knife to open it. And I'm going to demonstrate that as well later. But now, what you need to do is just keep using your hand, keep hitting it, and you use this to just press it, you just turn it around. Okay. And it's time to insert it. Okay. And then you have to just pull it until it's directly towards that direction. It's like perpendicular, 90 degrees to, yeah. So anyway, it's just how it looks, okay? Cool. So what we are going to do is just, we need to squeeze coffee now. Okay? As I have already told you, I'm going to show you 2 different ways. The second way is the Nespresso capsules. So let me just speed a little bit faster, speed it up a little bit faster, okay? So I just press here. So the optimum bar reading should be between 8 and 12, but I don't know why my machine is not really that working. Actually, this isn't really the main point. As long as there's coffee coming out, I think you can already perform latte art. If you want to like adjust it a bit more by yourself, I think you have to like watch more tutorials. Okay, how much milk do I put? It's just like half of the milk jug. Okay, now you can press here and then wait for offering the milk. Then I'll need the handkerchief to help me along the process, because I need to ensure that it's clean. Okay, let's pop the milk. It takes about like 60 to 70 seconds. You can see some large bubbles. I hope that I can save it. I'll try my best. Okay. I think that's good. So you can see it's like this. Okay. Okay, this is my latte art. Okay. Let me just show you another way of making latte art again. Okay, we'll remove this. And I need to wash it. Do a little bit washing. Okay, this time I'm going to use capsules. Okay, I'm going to show you how I use capsules. I think capsules, if you use 3 capsules, it's already more than enough. So you use the knife, okay, to open it. Make sure that those are spread everywhere. Otherwise, you will get scolded by your mom or your girlfriend or wife, whatever. Okay. 1. Okay. I'm going to open second one. It's not really that big deal, you just open it. If there's tiny little bit coming out, that's fine. You don't have to get every single one. Harder, you have just approximate amount would be absolutely fine. You don't have to extract all the part. Okay, so just give me one more several seconds to prepare the final one. Open that. So actually I've just grabbed it randomly. I haven't got any idea which one, which capsule I'm picking up, but this one is Ristretto, which is pretty good one. You know, the more concentrated, I mean, the higher concentration it is, it's easier for you to perform latte art. You would want to get a more darker beans, more concentrated one rather than the one which does not contain any bitter taste, you know. Anyway, again, you use your hand to keep hitting outside, and then you just press it. Okay, and just turn it around. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, and you just put it inside. Okay, and you just click this button. Okay. And I will prepare the second one. Let me just wash. If you think you have already got enough, you just press this button. Sometimes you've got too much, you know. You just add some more milk. Now I need to froth the milk and press this one. Prepare it. Okay, yeah, definitely you wouldn't want this amount because that's too much. So I'm going to just empty a little bit. So this one makes much more sense to me. So then we just need to froth the milk now. Okay, I need to just wait for it to be well prepared. So yeah, okay. It's okay now. Okay, you can see the surface is shiny, and you have to do it as quick as possible. Okay. Oops. I'll probably just go. You can see that. Okay. So this is how you perform latte art. Okay. So that's the end of my videos. If you like my videos, please make a thumbs up and like subscribe my channel, and I will post some more some more videos about performing latte art. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.